Hello, my dear student. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. Take care yourself. Welcome to my English class. In the previous lesson, we discussed about the basic structure of the voice. Subjective form of objective and objective form of subject. So dear learners, today our topics is voice change part 2. Dear learners, voice part 2. First continuous tense. The structure of the first continuous tense: subjective form of object. Number 2, was, were, being. Number 3, past participle form of verb or main verb. Number 2, by preposition. Number 4, by preposition. Number 5, objective form of subject. So clear, dear learners? The structure is clear. Subjective form of object, was, were, being, past participle form of verb, by plus objective form of subject. Look at the first example. She was singing a song. She was singing a song. So at first you identify the subject, verb and object. At first you identify the tense. It is a first continuous tense. She subject, verb was auxiliary verb, singing main verb, and a song is object. At first, subject form of object. Subject form of object. A. Subject form of object. Subject form of object. A song. Next, number 2, was, were, being. Since it is a first continuous tense, third person singular number, it takes was, were, was, being. The song was being. Number 3, past participle form of verb. In this sentence, main verb sing. Sing, sang, sung. Present from sing, past from sang, past participle from sung. V1 sing, V2 sang, and V3 sung. So you use sung. Number 4, we reading by preposition. And number 5, objective form of subject. A subject. Objective form. Objective form of she, her. Clear, dear learners? The song was being sung by her. Next example, he was reading a novel. So at first we identify the subject, verb, and was is a auxiliary verb, and novel is a object. The first number, subjective form of object, subjective form, and novel, unchanged, and novel. Number 2, was, were, being. Since it is a first continuous tense, it takes was, being. A novel was being. Now, third, first participle form of verb. Read, read, read. Spelling is same, but pronunciation is different. Read. it. When it is used first participle, its pronunciation is read. Clear, my dear learners? A novel was being read by him. Rule number 4 and rule number 5. Next, look at the example. I was doing. I was doing it. So at first we identify the tense. It is a first continuous tense, and at first we change object into subject, objective from a subject, sorry, subjective from a object, subjective from a object. Number 2 was being. Third person singular number it takes was being. If a subject plural, then it takes we are doing. Do. Do is a present form of verb. First from did, first participle from done. তাহলে V1 do, V2 did আর V3 from done. Do, did, done. তাহলে we take first participle V3 from done. Number 4 we by preposition. At last objective form of the subject. In the active I subject. I objective from me. I change this to me. So, dear learners, clear? First continuous tense. So, dear learners, now I discuss about the present perfect tense. Hope you know the structure of present perfect tense. Look at the board. Present perfect tense. The structure of the present perfect tense in the tense: subject have been, subject have, has, VT from plus object. This is the structure of the tense. But in the passive, the structure of the present perfect tense: subjective form of object. Number 2 have been, has been. Number 3 first participle form of verb. Number 4 by preposition. Number 5 objective form of subject. Clear, dear learners? The structure of present perfect is clear. So we go to the example. Example number 1. Active. I have completed the work. So first you identify the subject, auxiliary verb, first participle main verb, the main verb, the word object. So subjective form of object, subjective form of object. Object subject from the word is word. Rule number 2 have been, has been. Have been comes in the rules number 2. A has been. Rules number 3 first participle form of verb. Complete. কমপ্লিট বেঙ্গলি মিনিং শেষ করা, সম্পন্ন করা, বেঙ্গলি মিনিংস। Complete is the present form. In the first form, you add ed with complete, completed, complete, completed. First participle from completed. V1 complete, V2 completed, V3 completed. So the work has been completed. Rules number third, completed. Rule number 4 we add by preposition. Rule number 5, objective from a subject. I objective from me. So clear, the work has been completed by me. Go to the example number 2. He has written a letter. It's written a letter. So at first, subjective form of object, a letter. Number 2, have been, has been. Since it is a third person singular number and it is a present perfect tense, it takes verb has been. When it is plural, third person plural number, it takes have been. So it is a third person singular number, it takes has been. A letter has been write. Write is a main verb. V1 from write. First from wrote. First participle for written. V1 write, V2 wrote, V3 from written. So V3 from written. Number 4 we add by preposition. Number 5, objective form of the subject. He objective from him. Objective form of subject. So dear learners, a letter has been written by him. Clear? I hope you clear the structure. Example number 3. God has created the universe. God. This is a present perfect tense. So subjective form of the object, the universe, the unchanged. Second number rules, have been, has been. Since it is third person singular number, it takes has been. Rule number 3, first participle form of verb. First participle form of verb, the main verb is create. Has is the auxiliary verb. Create. Created main verb is create. সৃষ্টি করা, সৃষ্টি করা, কোনো কিছু সৃষ্টি করা, ইংলিশ ক্রিয়েটেড, আর ক্রিয়েটেড বেঙ্গলি মিনিং ইজ সৃষ্টি করা, নতুন করে সৃষ্টি করা। গড হ্যাজ ক্রিয়েটেড দ্য ইউনিভার্স, পৃথিবীটাকে সৃষ্টি করছেন গড। এখন নাও দ্য ইউনিভার্স, ওই সাবজেক্টিভ ফর্ম অফ দ্য অবজেক্ট, দ্য ইউনিভার্স চেঞ্জেস টু object changes to subject, the universe. Number 2, have been, has been. Number 3, first participle from a verb, created. The universe has been created. Number 4, we add by preposition. Number 5, objective from a subject. The subject objective from God. God objective from God. There are no change in the name. So dear learners, now clear about the structure of present perfect tense. So dear learners, now I discuss about voice change of past indefinite tense. So let us start the structure of past indefinite tense. Dear learners, at first, anyone can tell me what is the structure of the past indefinite tense? Who can tell me? I hope you can tell me the structure of past indefinite tense. Subject plus verb first from or V2 from plus object. So dear learners, the structure of voice change. First, subjective form of object plus rule number 2 was, where. Rule number 3, past participle form of verb or main verb plus we adding by preposition plus objective form of the subject. So, dear learners, we go to the example number 1. I drank water. I drank water. Passive, subjective form of the object. Object is the subjective form, water. Number 2 was, yes. Water, third person, singular number, so it takes was. Rule number 3, past participle form of main verb. Past participle form of the main verb. What is the main verb? Drank, first from. Main from, V1 from. Drink, drink. Drank, drunk. Present from drink, past from drank, past participle from drunk. Drink, drank, drunk. V1 from drink, V2 from drank, V3 from drunk. So, dear learners, drunk, past participle form. Wait by preposition. At last, rule number 5, objective form of the subject. Subject changes to objective from me. I change me. So water was drunk by me. Example number 2, the boy had the poor man. First, object changes to subject. Object changes into subject. The poor man, subjective form of the object. Number 2 was. This is the first indefinite tense, and third person singular number, it takes was. Rule number 3, past participle of main verb. Main verb help, past participle for help. Help, help, help. Present from help, past from help, past participle from help. Rules 4, adding by preposition, and rule number 5, objective form of the subject. Objective form of the subject. So, dear learners, the poor man was helped by the boy. Next, example number 3, I wrote a letter. I subject, wrote her, a letter object. A letter changes to object, changes to subject. Rule number 2, was where. This is the first indefinite tense, and third person singular, it takes was. Rules number 3, first participle of main verb. Wrote main verb is write. Wrote main verb is write. Write, wrote, written. V1 write, V2 wrote, and V3 from written. I wrote a letter. So, dear students, a letter was written by adding by preposition and I, object from me. I change this to me, objective from the subject. So, a letter was written by me. A letter was written by me. So, dear learners, I hope you understand the voice change of past indefinite tense. So, dear learners, now take individual verb. Today, yours individual verb. Number 1, write the rules of present perfect tense of voice change. Write the rules of present perfect tense of voice change. Dear learners, now take pair verb. Write the structure of past indefinite tense of voice change. Write the structure of past indefinite tense of voice change and give examples. And give example. And give example. Clear, dear learners? Next, take group verb. Number 3, give the 10 example of past continuous tense and change the sentence into passive. At first, you write down the 10 example of past continuous tense. After that, you will change each of the sentence into passive. So, dear learners, I repeat this. Individual verb, write the rules of present perfect tense of voice change. Pair verb, write the structure of past indefinite tense of voice change and give example. Group verb, give the 10 example of past continuous tense and change the sentence into passive. So, dear learners, I give 2 minutes to write down. I hope you write down individual, pair and group verb. So, dear learners, this is homework for you. Change the voice. Number 1, you have written a good essay. Number 2, Columbus discovered America. Number 3, the mother was cooking food. He gave her the fan. We have just finished our breakfast. Number 6, he sang a sweet song. Number 7, the boys were playing football. Number 8, Nazrul wrote the poem. Number 9, he was the crying. He was the crying. Number 10, the teacher saw the students. The teacher saw the students. So dear learners, 5 minutes will be given to write down the homework. I hope you will finish the homework in your home. So dear learners, it is all for today. Stay home, stay safe and be healthy. Wash your hand always. So dear learners, goodbye.